Oh my gosh. Hey, welcome back. I'm Yukon Cornelius. No, not really. I'm Tom Keltish and Everything Outdoors. We just got dumped on big time by a huge snowstorm. And I'm about to go open up the driveway, the sidewalk. Oh my gosh, this is nuts. Then I gotta go across the block over, and clear out my son's and daughter-in-law's place. They're going to Mexico. Anywho, alright, this is going to be a different video. This is going to be a video of me blowing snow. I don't know how much I'm going to record, but it's, I don't want to get my phone all full of snow and ruin my only way of recording anything. So there's a few steps right. Gotta make my way to the garage. I guess it doesn't really matter if the steps there or not. Alright. I'll put some gas in it, top the gas off. I just checked the oil. Oil's good. I'd wait until later, till it was light out, but my wife, she has to go to work. It is Saturday. I don't know, I think January 13th. Like I said, we just had a huge blizzard come through. Snow's almost done. It's been snowing since yesterday, 12 hours ago. I recorded it on my calendar. I write on my calendar, kind of journal on my calendar, but started snowing. The wind picked up, started blowing around 6 o'clock yesterday morning. The snow started around 6:30, so, and it hasn't stopped since. Yeah, it's a mess. Alright, doesn't pay to complain about it. Let's get it done. Alright everyone, I'm going to shut it down for now, and I'll check in periodically. What sucks about this now is it's nice out. It's 22 degrees Fahrenheit, but the temperature's supposed to drop significantly. The big old Arctic blast is going to come right through here. The wind's coming from the northwest already, so it's going to be she'll be pushing in some cold air. So I'm going to shut this garage door and work on that snowbank over there, and then I'll continue with the driveway. Yukon Cornelius signing out. Stay tuned. Catch you in a little bit. Okay, Yukon Cornelius back with a little update. We got the sidewalk done. I'll show you something. I even thought of the UPS guy, right? He frequents our residence quite often. So I'm like, why not? Made a path for the poor guy. He's got a job to do, you know. Why not make it a little bit easier on him? He doesn't need to be walking knee deep in this stuff. Here I got the driveway for the most part. Got that all cleared off. Just need to do a little fine tuning. Oh, I want so bad to go inside and have a cup of coffee here too, but that'll be my reward. That'll be my treat, my goal. Now I gotta go over by my son and daughter-in-law's house, a block over where I used to live, and I can about imagine what that's like. I'll show you guys, and I'll tell you what I used to do. If you find this video kind of neat, hit that subscribe button. If you want, there's a snowy day today, probably tomorrow too, cold weather coming. Binge watch my channel. It's still snowing a little bit, but hit the thumbs up too. I'll check back with you. Yukon Cornelius, be back in a moment. Well, Yukon Cornelius back at it. I am at my son and daughter-in-law's house, which used to be my house, and this, I'll show you what's going on here. This used to be my backyard. This is the most snow I think we've gotten in one dump. All right, it's a good, granted there's drifting, but it's a good 16 inches, give or take. And I'll show you what I used to do when we bought this house before I had a snow shovel or a snow blower. I used to shovel all of this right where my daughter-in-law's car is. That used to be a snow hill for the kids. I used to shovel all that, pile it right here, and this is my barn. Used to be my fur shed. I used to shovel all of this by myself. And now as I wait for my daughter to bring the gas can for the snowblower, I ran out of gas. She's gonna help. She's gonna chop at the snow and bust it up for me so I can snow blow a lot quicker. That snowbank is a good 4 feet wide by 3.5 feet tall in the front and the back here. I'm not looking forward to those bitter temperatures either. It's nuts. As I'm snow blowing at our place, the path for the UPS man, the ground isn't really all that frozen yet either. It is, but it isn't. If there is, it's probably 2 inches. That's it. Well played, Mother Nature. Well played. Taking a break. It's been like 4 hours since I've been out there snow blowing. Come in. I need to... I'm spent. Holy crap. I'm thinking about having a fire up in my fire pit. But, I'll show you that too. But, need to go to a friend of mine's house, pick up, a roof rake, and kind of clear away from the exhaust pipe for the water heater and our second bathroom. That stink pipe is, I can't see it, so I'm gonna need to work around that. So stick around. I might be taking a nap shortly, I don't know. So hold on tight. All right, everyone, I think I'm all done. I was gonna have a fire in the fire pit, but here, let me show you what I did first. I need to borrow that roof rake. That was the worst one over there. That's the stink pipe for the bathroom, and that one was okay. And I believe the vent for the water heater should be okay. So I did that, returned it right away, and I think I'm ready to go in the house. But first, I'll show you what I did with around the fire pit. It's pretty slick, I think. What I did is I took all the snow, not all the snow, but the snow around here, the fire pit. It's made a nice berm, wind block, so that way I can have a fire in the fire pit sometime this winter without being bothered by the wind, which there's quite a bit of it, so I don't really feel like sitting out here anymore. I need to go in the house, have that last cup of coffee, take a shower, and head into my man cave and take a nap. I'm tired. 2 places blowing snow, running around. I'm spent, like I said. So if you like this little video, winter, what should I title it? Winter extravaganza, winter wonderland, winter sucks. I don't know. I'll come up with something. So until next time, enjoy the little things. Make the best of winter as much as you can. Alright, time for coffee.